There are 2 days left for me to be out of this building, and there's a lot of stuff left in it. How far can we get today? What is going on, guys? I am WatchJRGo, and today, like I said, 2 days left until we close. We're supposed to close Wednesday, I would assume, like midday. That's kind of when it always works out. And I plan on having the whole day, I can tell you that much. But now it's all been destroyed. It's so uncertain. The bank wanted more things. First, they didn't get the appraisal really done until I think Friday of last week, so we're kind of waiting on the appraisal. I haven't heard if it's finished or not. And they wanted some more paperwork. All this stuff's taking too long to complete. It was supposed to be Wednesday according to our sales contract, and now it could be Friday. The bank asked for multiple weeks extra, and I was like, no way. I could deal with Friday, we could push it, and that'd be awesome because it gives me some more time to finish getting all this done. But I really don't want to wait any longer than that. Honestly, I can't. I don't want to keep paying the bills on this building that I'll have nothing left in after 2 days from now. I still plan on getting this all moved out by the end of the 2 days. All the cars should be picked up. Transport's all being scheduled right now. And of course, Josh is on his way to put the interior back in the 33 and get that out of here along with all of his stuff because he has a lot of tools here. I don't think we ever talked about this, but that bandsaw, the drill press, the grinder, and that sandblast cabinet, those are all his. So all of that's got to go to his new place. So we have to do a lot of moving with Josh today. At the same time, I have to do a lot of moving because I have to continue getting the lever rack out of here. I want to have it all shut down and torn apart today, hopefully in the next few minutes. I'm thinking with the forklift, it shouldn't take too long, and we got to get all the rest of the stuff moved out of here, wrapped up, and on its way. So that's the game plan for today. Let's jump right in and see how much we can get done in just a matter of hours. That also leaves me moving those 2 lifts tomorrow, which are a pretty big job in and of themselves. Obviously, it took us a long time to figure out how to get those things installed. I hope I can tear them down quickly, but I'm not quite sure yet. I'm just hoping. So that's what we're gonna try to do. And just like that, Josh is here.
Go look. Totally look.
That tire was there for a reason. That tire was there to save your car.
I was gonna yell Cody, but I thought too soon.
Too soon. Oh man, so Josh is installing a new Holley sniper on this. This is his temporary, his holdover Holley sniper here. And I think it's about ready to start if the battery's charged.
It always comes down to a battery.
It's always the battery, man. Always the battery. So I think this thing's about ready to move and maybe drive home. We will see. Well, we're at 43%, which is better than the 3% we started at. This thing has those wireless door poppers. That's what that box is right there. And they always kill the battery. Oh, Holley coil driver. Where'd you get that?
Came with the refurb.
What's? No way.
It did.
You are kidding me.
Nope. $100 value.
That is $100.
Now in every box.
Wow. Well, have it. Huge news out of Holley today. I'm mind blowing. Josh hands me this, and I just told him. This just did. Holley just released new distributors, Hyperspark distributors, which we've been using for a long time. Even if you run the Holley Hyperspark distributor that's made for the snipers, they're not plug and play. You have to have a coil driver. They released new ones. I got the email this morning that said the new distributors just plug in. Finally, the most amazing thing. You know how much time it takes to wire this? It needs a 12-volt switched ignition, it needs a ground, it has one wire that goes to the distributor, one wire that goes to the Holley. It's way too much work, and it's never clean. It's really hard to hide this thing. The new distributors have it in it, so that's awesome. But Josh got a free one, so that's a huge win. He bought that spare sniper, came with one. Maybe they're throwing those in for the people that weren't able to plug and play their distributors, you know? It might be a deal.
Yeah. It was a deal. It was a factory refurb.
Yeah, that was already a huge deal, yeah.
$900.
Yep.
$300 off, and you get a free coil driver.
I've been over here cleaning. We have this whole wall cleaned off. We're just picking up the last 2 things. Josh just picked up everything over here. The Corvette exhausts are going in the trash because honestly, I just can't sell a lot of this stuff. Nobody wants it. Even though I know I'll see a thread within a week saying somebody needs a stock C5 exhaust, but it's going in the scrap. So we're cleaning away. It's alive! Is there an O2?
Yeah.
And it's staying on?
Yeah.
Yes! It's fixed! Just an update on what happened last time. I know we showed you guys putting the sniper on here and firing it up for the first time, and then the wideband didn't work. Well, the driver for the O2 sensor is what died in the old Sniper. So it went back to Holly, and they're actually shipping it right back. It'll be fixed. But unfortunately, just because of the time crunch, Josh just grabbed a new one and tossed it on here. So now we're good to go. It seems like it's going to run right. And yeah.
This one's shiny, so it matches the rest of the.
That's true. It does.
Motif.
It looks a lot better than the black, I gotta say. So this thing looks much more complete. Just finishing it up. Is the air cleaner gonna fit?
It does, but it needs a new bolt. Remember to hold the top.
Okay.
Is this?
Cool.
This guy's the problem.
Sweet.
We should probably do something about that before it falls in the engine.
Yeah, a little Loctite might help before it disappears.
We'll just fix the glitch.
Just delete it.
There we go.
I removed the problem. That O2 sensor is purple after 1 minute.
What?
Look at it, it's already colored.
Wow.
It's got the heat color. All right, well that pretty much gets the 33 wrapped up here, and more things finished in the shop. It's finally time to announce the subscriber meetup tomorrow night, starting at 6 p.m.-ish. Is that, you here at 6 p.m.-ish?
Yeah, Josh.
And I think 100% Jake should be here.
Ah.
Elliot might be here.
Yeah.
Auto Auction Rebuilds said he'll be here.
Nice.
He bought the airport tug.
Okay.
So it seems like a lot of people will be here. I'll hit up Hoovy, see if he wants to come. But if you guys want to come see the shop, tomorrow is your chance. I know it's getting pretty empty in here, but yeah, be here at 6 p.m. on the 20th. There you go.
Of September.
Of this month. The 20th.
2022.
Tomorrow, 20th.
Yeah.
Okay. After, do not come.
You'll be getting comments a year from now saying, what the heck, man?
You weren't even here. Well, I don't own the building, so I wasn't here.
I met that WatchJRGo. He's not friendly.
Do the new electric fans work? That's the real question here. Oh, nope, you went too low. 70? I heard the relay.
I heard a click.
But then nothing happened.
No.
Uh-oh. Well, we got the relay, but we're missing one other wire to the fan. Yeah! Oh! Look at how close the pedals are. And stop! How is that half-mile long burnout?
It is so much faster now.
Is it?
It's unbelievable.
That's awesome. That old EFI was terrible.
It's a whole new car. It's scary now.
I mean, your burnout started there and was legit and ended like where the curve is.
I let off because I thought the transmission was slipping. And when I let off, I was like, oh no, I just went through all 3 gears.
It was just the tires.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's epic. Good old Holly Sniper. I love it. It's what it needed. How's temps? Oh, 187, cool. Man, you can actually control the AFR.
My eyeballs aren't watering.
Yep, it's not burning. There's no tune on here, guys. Like always, out of the box. Auto tuning with the Sniper. All right, Josh's car is moving back over to his place right now. He's driving that thing home, which cleaned up a lot of this, and he's coming back tomorrow with the trailer to grab all the little stuff that's left. And like I said, the Corvette exhaust, that's gonna get scrapped tomorrow because it has to. And coming around here, both toolboxes will be ready to move tomorrow, although I'm gonna leave them until after the subscriber meetup. That way it still looks somewhat familiar and not just like a big empty building, because obviously we're not going for that. All of this is done. We've got all of that cleaned up. The TV's ready to move. Video wall's on, we were using it all day. And everything else, we've cleaned the floors, we've picked up everything we could. The lev rack is half apart. We've got a little bit more to do tomorrow, and I couldn't move the rest because we have to move all the lev rack shelves first. So we got a lot done over there. So there's a few things left to palletize. The shippers are coming for cars tomorrow. Who knows if they'll be here or not when you guys get here, if you're coming, but hopefully there's still a few cool cars hanging around. I think the Jag will be for at least one more day. So that's it. That's where we're at. Everything that's left will get thrown on the last 3 pallets. I think that's what we've got here. That should load up the entire shop and get it out of here. So 2 pins on the lever rack, basically 4 pins. It's got little safety pins. You just pop those loose, hit them with a hammer, just normal pallet racking that you got to take apart. And that will be all done. And that's it. I'm moved at that point. Once someone else comes and takes these cars so I don't have to. And I'm happy we got Josh's done. And like I said, the airport tug will be leaving tomorrow during the subscriber meetup as well. Auto Auction Rebuilds is coming to pick it up. So he'll be here to hang out. That is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over to shop.WatchJRGo.com for cool shirts, not like this. And please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. And I will talk to you next time. There's really only one more car I need to sell before we move, and that's this. I've been trying. I have dropped the price on this to, you know, less than I have in it at this point, just trying to get it out of here, and that hasn't happened yet either. This is kind of hard to move, honestly. It takes up a lot of space, and you know, it's right up, you can't stack anything on a go-kart. It's just kind of there, unfortunately. And it's full of fuel, you can't really hang it up. So it does take up like half of a car's spot, which is crazy. So I don't really want to take it with me. I will if I have to, obviously. I just don't have anywhere to drive it after this, because this is for pavement, and I don't have that much pavement. I have a paved road, but I don't have paved access to the road at the next place, so I'm pretty limited on go-karts. This is probably not going to work out at the new place. Other than that, we're about there. I'm excited. This was a lot of work.